Hi, I'm Lauren with Countryside RV. Today we're going to show you a 2023 Lakota Charger C8313 SR 3-horse trailer with living quarters. If you start here at the front, you'll notice they have now switched to a quick connect gooseneck coupler. Do not have to crawl into the bed of your truck to hitch or unhitch from your gooseneck ball. Does include a spare tire, 2 batteries. We'll have 2 full LP tanks, and does have the dual Bigfoot hydraulic jacks for ease of taking it up and off your truck. This trailer does feature an outside spigot from the water tank, so if you want to water your horses going down the road, you can sure fill a bucket and do that kind of thing. On the slide out, we have a 6-foot slide. It does have a slide topper on top of it. At the escape door, this acts as a second means of entry. It does have a bower latch. You can open it from the inside or the outside. A little more convenience. You can use this as a second door and mudroom. Take off your muddy boots before you enter into the living quarters area. It does have a fold-up step to make that easily accessible as well. This unit has 2 mangers under the rear 2 stalls. Gives you plenty of room to put your buckets, apple picker, whatever else you need to take along to a show or rodeo. These windows are all drop down. Note they are the welded manufactured windows, not some that you buy from an aftermarket place. Gives you a little more life to your drop down windows. As you come to the rear, you'll notice there is a step that make it easier to put your saddles in or out. Saddle rack is adjustable. It also is removable, so you can take this rear tack, pull this wall flat to the wall, make it easy to put in a 4-wheeler, lawnmower, something else, whatever you need to haul in there. It does have a black blanket bar in the tack area as well. As you look inside, you notice the dividers are airflow. Keeps it cooler for your horses. Ceiling, walls are all insulated as well. Not only are there drop downs on the head side, there's some on the butt side as well. You get them warm summer days, you can let air flow all the way through, keeps it cooler for your horses, makes it more convenient for them longer trips. This does have the aluminum where the horses are tied with the white skin above. Notice it has a electric awning. Has another step here for entrance into the living quarters area. As you notice, this has a retractable screen door. The 8313 SR stands for sofa on the riser wall. You notice it has a sofa along here. This does jackknife down, gives you a little additional sleeping area. It has steps up into the bed area. There is a drawer in one step, another compartment there, just little areas, added features for more storage. Bed area, there are cupboards around, up in the very front. Easy access to the bed area. As you advance in age like I am, you do appreciate the fact that there's steps to get up to the bed. This trailer has a 6-foot slide with a dinette. The dinette does drop down to make additional sleeping area. There is storage underneath each bench with a handy access door with each bench. A little more cupboard space in the slide out as well. There's a place for the television to mount right here. Has a stereo system. Has the gas electric refrigerator, microwave, a 2-burner cooktop, plenty of cupboard space. Take everything you want to with you to that show, trail ride, or rodeo. As you step into the bathroom area, notice there is a pass-through door into the horse area. We have some hanging clothes space and linen closet on this side. Porcelain toilet. Nice size shower. Medicine cabinet. That is a true medicine cabinet, not just a mirror on the wall with another sink in the bathroom area. Does have a max air fan, rain censored. You shut it on and off. Shuts automatically. You don't have to reach up and mess with the controls. The controls are all right here. One additional feature we order in all our trailers. This one has a air conditioning vented into the horse area. So if you're at a campsite, you need additional sleeping space, you can set up, clean out the back end, set a couple cots back here, and it will keep it cool. Air conditioning from up front blows back here, an added feature. Recent trailer we sold, them people took dogs with them to dog trials. They put the kennels back here and it kept their dogs nice and cool at night. Another handy feature. So again, this is a 2023 Charger 8313 SR trailer. It's here on our lot. We'd love to show it to you. Come see us at Countryside RV. Remember, there are no hidden fees at Countryside RV.